The Unitor plasma cutter, UPC-NEO NG, with the new UPH-125 torch, is a high-performance plasma cutter with an optimal weight-to-cutting capability ratio. It can cut various types of steel, such as carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminium, or any electrically conductive metal. The following is an overview of the UPC-NEO NG with UPH-125 torch setup and installation. Connect to the three-phase power supply, 380 volt or 440 volt. Connect to the compressed air line. Switch on the plasma cutter. Wait for the machine to power on. Press the reset button and adjust the current. Regulate the compressed air at 4.8 bar. Connect and check the return clamp. The following shows the front panel and the description of the various LED alerts. This diagram shows the different setups for the new UPH-125 plasma torch, with the various cutting and gouging applications for precision cutting, from 1mm to 40mm, along with the new Flatcut and Longcut applications. The torch assembly for precision cutting is as follows. To disassemble or replace consumables, remove the components in this order. Reverse the order to assemble the torch and ensure a tight connection. The torch assembly for flat cut is as follows. Remove the shield cut body, cutting tip, electrode, and swirl ring. Insert the flat cut cartridge and tighten. The torch assembly for long cut is as follows. Remove the shield cut body, cutting tip, and electrode. Insert the long cut electrode and tighten the long cut shield. Here are the 4 common errors and troubleshooting steps. TRI, trigger alarm. The trigger alarm is activated if the cutting unit is turned on while the torch trigger is pressed. Press the reset button to clear the error code when powered on. PIP alarm, part in place. The PIP error indicates that the consumables are not correctly mounted. LED 3, reset protection alarm will light up. Turn off the machine and check the plasma torch consumable assembly to fix this error. Consumables warning. If LED 2 is blinking, this means that the plasma consumables is nearing the end of life and requires attention. The machine can still be operated, but the tip and electrode might reach its end of life. To fix this, turn off the machine and check the consumables. Replace is required. PFO alarm. This alarm activates when one input phase is missing, or if there is the wrong input voltage. LED 3, reset protection alarm will light up. To fix, turn off the machine and check the 3-phase power supply. Restore the missing phase before using the plasma cutter machine.